Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 821 and today's topic is the military explosive, and here I am going to discuss three military explosives, that is EDNA, HMX and tetrail. These military explosives are very important and I will just give their introduction. And the chemistry students should know all these nitro derivative, and they are known as nitroamine group of explosives. Means nitro group is there along with amino group, and these ones can be prepared from even urea, because urea is having two amino group, NH2CO, NH2. And the first one is that is your EDNA. So the military explosives, EDNA, HMX and tetrail. So EDNA, what is EDNA? EDNA is ethylene dinitramine. So ethylene dinitramine, that is your EDNA, and is an military explosive chemical compound of the nitroamine class. So this is nitroamine class explosive. And ethanol is highly explosive, comprising about 58% EDNA and 42% TNT. So when these two are there in 58 and 42%, then it is highly explosive. And EDNA is structure is given. Its molecular formula is CH4 N4O2. It can be commercially prepared by nitrating ethylene urea, and that is your 2-imidazolidine, and either with concentrated nitric acid or with concentrated nitric acid plus concentrated sulfuric acid to the dinitro compounds, which is hydrolyzed to form EDNA, or also it is known as halide. So halide and EDNA is having same meaning. It is separated as shining crystals, and EDNA is more powerful than TNT but not as stable as RDX. So the next one is, that is called HMX. HMX, it is also known as octogen, and is a powerful and relatively insensitive nitroamino explosive, and it is highly explosive. It is chemically related to RDX. Whenever we are manufacturing RDX, there will be some percentage of HMX formed. HMX is actually 1357 tetranitro, 1357 tetra oxacyclooctane. That is the structure is given there, and it can be prepared by the nitrolysis of hexamine. So this hexamine, if it is nitrolysis is done, means in presence of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, it is changed into this HMX. The next one is, that is tetrail. Tetrail, it is 2,4,6 trinitrophenyl methyl nitramine. So it is 2,4,6 trinitro, that is a phenyl methylamine compound, commonly referred to as tetrail. They are all nitroamino derivatives, and they are called that is EDNA, HMX and tetrail. They are all nitroamino group of explosive. which is widely used in military, which is used to make explosive. The compound is used to make detonators, and it is generally prepared by the action of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid on dimethyl. This is your dimethyl aniline. So with this dimethyl aniline, when it is treated with nitric acid in presence of sulfuric acid, it will be changed into tetrail. Tetrail structure is given, and its formula is that is your C7 H15 N5 O8. And here, let me tell you one thing. These explosives, either they are nitro derivative or nitroamino derivative, they are main explosives which are used in military, and they are prepared since World War II. Until today, it is very much effective. So all the chemistry and biochemistry students, at least they should know their structure, their formula, and how they are prepared, how their structures are. So that is very important for all the chemistry students. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.